Here we are, 2017. 2017. Is it MX-5 or a Miata?
MX-5.
MX-5. And your name?
Lazaro.
And you drive this car every day?
Yeah, it's my daily. I drive it to work, everywhere, and I drive basically from anywhere to Homestead, West Palm Beach.
And what? You just got a race. It looks like you got a racing seat in it.
Yeah.
Racing seat.
It's a racing seat. Came out of a Ferrari challenge car.
Yeah.
Fits in perfectly fine.
It looks like a carbon fiber seat.
Yeah, it's fully carbon fiber.
And what's with the electronic stuff on it?
So I put it after like a steering wheel.
Yeah.
And I didn't want to lose the cruise control,
Oh,
the volume for the music and all that stuff. So I basically gutted out the stock steering wheel.
Yeah.
And I basically have it makeshift like that for now, but
Right.
I'm gonna do like a button panel on it,
Yeah.
so I can have it look nicely.
So you've got the push control.
Yeah, everything's functional.
So basically, it's a modified steering wheel. You got the racing steering wheel, and you got all the electronics.
All the electronics still, so I can use
touch screen. Well, the touch screen, the touch buttons
for the radio and stuff.
You drive this every day.
Correct.
You take them tires off, I assume.
No.
No, you leave them the race.
Yep. I drive it just how you're seeing it right now.
And it's got also Sky Active technology.
Yeah.
Band-aids to keep.
Yeah, because this, a while back.
Wobbles back and forth.
No, yeah, a while back, there was this curb that came out of nowhere.
You
Didn't
curbed
even see it,
something.
and the back clips broke.
Mm-hmm.
So I have it like that for now until I'm able to fix it.
So, what would you say out to the audience out there that want to do this?
To do autocross?
Yeah.
Honestly, it's really fun. If you can come in with any car, like it doesn't matter what car you drive. I remember 2 events ago, I was here. There was a guy out here with a Honda Pilot, and he was ripping the course like if nothing. So it doesn't matter what car you have. If you like it, you like racing, you like cars, just come out here, have fun, spend the day. I mean, you have nothing to lose. You meet awesome people, and you just you experience something different, especially if you've never done it before. So it is a wonderful experience. I remember my first time here, I had a blast, and today is my second time coming, and it's still amazing.
Okay, thank you. Fiat Abarth 500. It's a 500. It's got some rims on it. Probably this guy's daily driver. Pretty stock.